All right, Joe, so we're gonna show you how to get lots of volume on your shortcut. So I usually take just a 1-inch wide section, so meaning this way. And you can take the section as big as the barrel, whatever you want as far as length, as long as it's on the barrel. But the most important thing is I always brush through the section a couple times first, over direct it a little bit. It sits right on top of the section. So it's not this way, and it's, you know, because a lot of people pull this way.
Yes.
And then I can't get the lift.
Okay.
I let it sit there for about 10 seconds. And then all you do is pull up, or you come out the way you came in, and then you have all that lift. Look at that volume.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to give it a try?
Yes. Okay. We're going to gather a 1-inch section. Is that about right?
Yeah, that's about right.
Okay. And I brush through a couple times. Then I head towards the top of my head, roll down.
Yep, all the way down.
Take these guys out.
Sure. And then you're gonna hold there for about 10 seconds.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And go ahead and pull out the same way you came in.
Oh, I did it.
That's a lots of volume.
Yes.
That's great. All right, for cowlick, what you wanna make sure is you wanna grab your 1-inch section on both sides of the cowlick. So like kind of 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. And then same thing where you're gonna over direct it a little bit and let it land right on that cowlick. And this you're gonna hold for at least 10 seconds because cowlicks are usually pretty stubborn and they need a little time for it to go ahead and really get that curl right down to the root. And then this way, when you release, the cowlick's gone. All right, so now to get the volume into the sides that are short, you're gonna just go in the beginning and go ahead and use your hand to let that hair get in there. And then very slowly, you're just gonna roll it on your scalp. Each time giving that roll a second to get that fullness in there. See, when I roll, it just grabs the hair.
I see.
Seeing how it's lifting that? But I hold each time about 5 seconds as I roll right into the top. Right?
All right, so put it in, gather it onto the barrel.
You got it.
Roll, roll, hold.
Yeah. There you go. Your lift is happening.
Oh, it's like magic.
Go. The magic wand.
Yes, exactly. For sure.
Wow, good job. Perfect.
Woo!
Look at all that volume.
Wow. I love it.